Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning simple origami bunny. You can draw cute faces and decorate them. I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with folding the paper into half diagonally. Fold this into half and make a crease to get the center line. Here, by leaving 1.5 centimeters, fold up the flap as demonstrated. From this point, fold up the triangle by aligning these points. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Here, fold up a triangle by holding this place tightly as shown. And in the sides, you can create a small triangles to create a curved shape to the face. Turn the model. Here, fold down the triangle by leaving approximately 2 mm in the sides. Then open the flap and fold it to the back. To make the rabbit ear shape, bring this tip to this point and make a pre-creasing and open the flap and do the inside reverse fold. Origami bunny is done. You can draw the features to make it look cute. You can use it as decors for kids' room. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to learn to make the chick. This one is done in 15 centimeter square and this is 1/4 of it. Isn't it cute? Thank you for watching.